everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making pumpkin punch. I've never tried this drink before, so I'm quite excited to taste it. The first thing you need to do is peel and then wash the pumpkin. We're going to cut the pumpkin into small pieces. Next we're going to boil it, so let's get some water. We're only going to add enough water to cook it, because you can add cold water later on. Let the pumpkin cook thoroughly and then leave it to cool.
Once the pumpkin has cooled down, add in your condensed milk. Add your vanilla, your nutmeg, and your cinnamon. If you want, you can add a little bit of mixed spice and almond extract. Add a pinch of salt to bring up the flavour.